Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good and enjoying your video classes as well as doing the worksheets. Today, we will have our maths class. So, before going to our topic, let us revise what we have learned in the previous classes. You have already done addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers, isn't it? So, let's begin our class with that. Add 52 to 35. So what you will have to do? First you have to express these two numbers in terms of tens and ones. Okay. So 52 is 2 ones and 5 tens. And 35 is 5 ones and 3 tens. Then what you have to do? You have to add these. So you have to put here the symbol for addition. This is the symbol for addition. 5 plus 2, you have to count the marks on the fingers. 6, 7, and 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So, it comes to 87. Okay? Now, we will see one subtraction. Subtract 24 from 86. So what you have to do? First, you have to find out which is the bigger number among these two. Okay. So which one is the bigger number? 86 is bigger than 24. So again we will express this in terms of tens and ones first. 86 we will write first because it is the bigger number. So it is 6 ones and 8 tens. 24 is 4 ones and 2 tens. Then what we will do? We will put the symbol for subtraction. This is the symbol for subtraction. 6 minus 4, that comes to 2. And 8 minus 2, that is 6. So the answer is 62. Now we will see some problem sums. Now we will learn about problem sums, or they are also known as story sums, where you have to write statements and then you have to understand whether you have to add the numbers or subtract them. So you have to write the statements properly. So now I am giving a few examples. You see carefully. After that you will have to do the sums by your own. See this problem. It's written on the board. 3 children are in a park. 5 more join them. How many children are there in the park now? So you You have to write the statements as I told. So what will be our first statement? Number of children in the park. Number, it is written in maths, you can write it as NO full stop. This is the short form of number. Number of children in the park equals to 3. Then 5 more join them. So next statement will be number of children joining them equals to 5. Then you have to draw a line like this. So initially there were 3 children and now 5 more come to join them. So what you have to do? You have to add, because you have to find how many children are in the park now. So you have to find out the total number of children that are in the park now. So you have to put a plus sign here. Total number of children in the park equals to 5 plus 3, that is 6, 7, 8. So 8. And since it is a problem sum or story sum, so you have to write the answer also separately. So what will be the answer? How many children are there in the park now? So there are 8 children in the park now. So what you see, these problem sums, they are divided into many parts. That is, first you have to write the statements correctly. If you write the statements correctly, then marks will be given. After that, you have to find out whether you have to add or subtract the numbers. Like here you saw, you have to add them. Then you have to do the sum properly, that is the addition or subtraction. And finally, you have to write the answer correctly. So now we will go to our next problem. Now let us see this problem. A boy has 15 pencils. He gives 4 to his brother. How many pencils the boy has now? So first we have to write the statements. So this will be our first statement. Number of pencils the boy has equals to 15. Then number of pencils given to his brother. Equals to 4. So what we have to do here? There were 15 pencils with the boy. Now he gives 4 to his brother. So you have to subtract. Okay. You can do the rough work separately on the right hand side. Rough work. You can do the subtraction over here. 15 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and here nothing means 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So 15 minus 4 is 11. So here you have to draw the line like before. Here you have to subtract. So this is the symbol of subtraction. Then number of pencils left with the boy. Equals to 11. And you have to also write the answer separately. How many pencils the boy has now? The boy has 11 pencils now. Now we will see some more sums from the smart board. See here, Neeraj has 32 candies. Neeraj, a boy, has 32 candies. Shalini gives him 16 more. A girl gives him 16 more. How many candies Neeraj has in total? So, Neeraj has 32 candies. Shalini gives him 16 more. So, how to find out the total number of candies? You have to add these two numbers. So, see the statements. Number of candies Neeraj has equals to 32. Number of candies Shalini gives him equals to 16. And since we have to find out the total number of candies, so we are putting the sign of addition because we have to add. So total number of candies Neeraj has equals to 32 plus 16, that is 6 plus 2, that is 8, 3 plus 1, that is 4. And the answer is to be written separately as I told you. That is how many candies Neeraj has in total. So Neeraj has 48 candies in total. Now let us see another example. There were 45 birds on a tree. 14 of them flew away. How many birds are left on the tree now? So, there were 45 birds. Out of these 45 birds, 14 flew away. So, how many are left on the tree now? So, what you have to do? You have to subtract. Number of birds on a tree equals to 45. Number of birds flew away equals to 14. Then we are here putting the symbol of subtraction. So number of birds left equals to 45 minus 14. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. And I have also shown the rough work here. 45 minus 14 equals to 31. And answer is written separately. There are 31 birds left on the tree now. Coming to our next sum. There are 15 boys and 12 girls in a class. 15 boys and 12 girls. Find out the total number of students in that class. So what you have to do? Number of boys equals to 15. Number of girls equals to 12. And since you have to find out the total number of students, so you have to add here. The symbol of addition has been given. Total number of students equals to, see the rough part, 15 plus 12, that is 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So total number of students equals to 27. And answer, there are 27 students in that class. So hope you all understood. Worksheet will be given where you have to do the problem sums or story sums by your own. Thank you and have a nice day.